Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Chevy Traverse 3LT. This vehicle only has 32,300 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It has back tinted windows, 20-inch aluminum wheels, and a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium speakers, our jet black leather seating with a tan lining. We have a double sunroof. And then when it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.